Have you ever heard the word Mottainai? In Japanese, it roughly translates to what a waste, but the meaning runs far deeper. It's a powerful reminder to honor every resource, every moment, and every object in our lives. Mottainai isn't just a word. It's a way of living, a mindset rooted in mindfulness and appreciation. When paired with the quiet beauty of Japanese minimalism, Mottainai becomes a roadmap to a more intentional, fulfilling life. This philosophy invites us to see beyond clutter, beyond excess. Imagine living with less, but feeling more clarity, more gratitude, more peace. It's not just about the things we own. It's about how we value them. Why keep clothes you rarely wear when you could surround yourself only with the items that make you feel truly good? That's Mottainai in action, choosing simplicity, purpose, and respect for what you already have. Mottainai teaches us to pause and reflect before we consume, discard, or overlook. It's that uneasy feeling when we throw out food or buy something on impulse that we never use. It reminds us to stop, breathe, and ask, does this really need to go to waste? This practice encourages us to live with deeper awareness of our belongings, our time, our energy, even our emotions. When we begin to live this way, something shifts. We become more grateful, more thoughtful, and more responsible. Mottainai is the opposite of carelessness. It's a lifestyle where nothing is tossed aside without intention. Every item, every moment, is treated with respect. We learn to conserve and reuse, to repair rather than replace, to value rather than consume. It's about moving from convenience to consciousness, and that change can transform the way we experience life. Applying Mottainai in our daily lives can be surprisingly simple. It starts with mindful choices, like using all the food you buy, reusing packaging, or repairing things instead of replacing them. These small acts reflect a powerful mindset shift. From wasteful to intentional. It's not about being perfect, it's about being present. Even in ordinary tasks, there's an opportunity to practice gratitude. Beyond material things, Mottainai applies to our time and emotional energy too. Are we giving energy to people or situations that drain us? Are we wasting time on things that don't truly matter? Living with Mottainai means choosing what fills us up, not what wears us down. It's about simplifying, not sacrificing. Honoring your time and emotions is just as important as honoring your possessions. In a world obsessed with the latest trend, Mottainai reminds us of the value in what we already have. It challenges the endless cycle of wanting more, teaching us that true beauty lies in the stories our belongings carry. A well-loved coat, a mug with a chip that tells of years of morning coffee. These things hold meaning that makes them priceless. Japanese culture embraces this deeply. Objects are cared for, maintained, and even repaired with honor. Minimalism, when fused with Mottainai, isn't sterile or cold. It's warm, it's personal. It's not about owning less for the sake of it, but about finding richness in what you keep. It's about slowing down, resisting the pull of consumerism, and instead finding joy in longevity and memory. Take a moment. Look around your space. What items have quietly stood by you for years? A trusted tool, a favorite chair, a cherished gift. Mottainai urges us to care for these things. Clean them, fix them, give them new life. There's beauty in repair. There's pride in maintenance. There's freedom in choosing not to chase the new, but to deepen your connection with the old. This mindset also protects us from clutter. Before buying anything new, ask, do I really need this? Will it bring lasting value to my life? These questions help us slow down and choose more wisely. In doing so, we create homes and lives filled only with what truly matters. Practicing Mottainai isn't just about objects, it's a daily expression of love and respect. Minimalism is more than white walls and empty shelves. It's about clearing out the noise so we can hear what matters. When we simplify our belongings, our routines, even our thoughts, we create space for clarity and joy. Every unused item, every meaningless commitment adds to the emotional and mental clutter in our lives. Letting go isn't loss, it's liberation. Simplicity done right is never empty, it's full of intention. What you choose to keep should reflect who you are and what you love. Quality over quantity, meaning over trends. That's the heart of Mottainai and minimalism combined. Let go of what no longer serves you, and you'll find there's more than enough room for peace, for gratitude, and for the things that truly make life beautiful.